So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the upcoming earning reports of stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom bar and press on the Discover icon or the magnifying glass. Simply just press on it right here. Once you're on the Discover screen, make sure that in the top left, equities is selected. So for me right now, equities is selected, but if crypto is selected or ETFs are selected, I simply just slide this bar to the left and press on equities. Right below it, you can choose your stock market. So if you're looking for the US stock market, the European stock market, or the Asian stock market, these are options right here. But simply, if you're looking to view the upcoming earnings reports of stocks, that's fairly straightforward. Scroll down all the way to the bottom until it says upcoming events, trending earnings reports. Simply just press on view more. So now what it's going to do is actually show you an events calendar here. So I'm recording this on Saturday, January 27th. So it'll be showing you guys, or showing, I guess, me, some earnings reports around this date. And if you keep scrolling down, there's a whole bunch of different earnings reports that way. And if you want to just specifically look for earnings reports, go to the top here and make sure that earnings is selected right here to change the filters. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the upcoming earning reports of stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.